So today we're gonna be playing some Adopt Me. Um, yeah. Okay. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. Sorry, my sister walked in. So alright. Okay, so I'm here with my friends. They're not talking, but yeah, I'm here with them. So I'm gonna be buying presents in this video, like gifts. I already have one. I'm just gonna buy like I don't even know. Let's get some gifts. Okay, so okay. Let's buy. So how much is this? It's so I'm okay, so now I don't have enough room. I think I have 3 now. Okay. Let's open it. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so okay, we got a dog balloon. Cute. Okay, so oh, I got a mouse leash. It's uncommon. Cute. And a soccer ball throw toy. So I got so many like gifts. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Rattle. So cute. Yeah, it's really good. Also, I think that this outfit's gonna be my permanent outfit because I really like it. No parties right now. Okay. So, thank you guys so much for watching me open these presents here in Adopt Me. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.